How to fix Microsoft Outlook not working or not opening on your Android device. First, go to your home screen and long press on the Outlook app icon, then tap on the Info or I button to go to App Info. After that, tap on Force Stop and confirm to completely stop the app from running in the background. From there, tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache, then tap Clear Data. At this point, go back to App Info and tap on Permissions and make sure all necessary permissions like Contacts, Calendar, and Storage are set to Allow. In the next step, go back to App Info and tap on Battery. Following this, make sure battery optimization is set to unrestricted, so Outlook is not being restricted in the background. Once done, go back to your Android settings and tap on Connections. From here, toggle Wi-Fi or mobile data off for a few seconds, then turn it back on to refresh your connection. At this stage, if the issue still persists, go to the Play Store, search for Microsoft Outlook, and tap Update if an update is available. Finally, if nothing works, uninstall Outlook completely, then reinstall it from the Play Store and sign back into your account. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix Microsoft Outlook not working, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.